Okay. We are here. How is everybody? Let me check the let me check some stuff over here. All right. So I just posted it to Discord. I see a very juicy buy side up there, but have to be careful. This is actually a bullish breaker. So if we measure the bullish breaker right here, then this is like a perfect entry to go long, but have to be careful because there's market open ahead of us, and you know, they can just shake us out if we want to enter. Technically, it's a perfect entry for a bullish price run up to the 650s, and because, well, ES actually took out buy side, but that's not a big deal. I think ES should be fighting more to break the highs and go higher up to the 5,000s, but yeah, this is a risky entry. Now it's right around the optimal trade entry position, but the only reason I'm not doing anything is because we are straight ahead of market open, and so this is considered to be careful. But you know, everybody should be careful. Now it's going down a bit. The low of this move is actually 20 points away. Doesn't look really good, but you know, manage your risk accordingly. Let me see. What do I have? I'm just checking some other stuff as well. Oh, I do have my... Anyway. Let's see. Let's see what is going on. So my stop loss would be, of course, down here if I would have entered below the 38s. Let's check the regular trading hours. Yeah, right in the middle of nowhere. Oh my god, such a huge gap. This was yesterday close. Right now we're here. I'm gonna put a line here for yesterday. Was the 25. Yesterday's low. Regular trading hour. That's what I'm gonna write here. Right here. I'm gonna put regular trading hours. Going to put to the bottom, to the right maybe. Okay, so that's 542. If we open up here right in the middle, then it would be interesting to see which one it wants to grab. Oh my god. You see, the problem is that the low 538 is just below the regular trading hour low. Well, should be fine, but it can take it out anyway. Let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, push a like. Let's push this stream. We're gonna be bigger than anyone. I'm expecting a phone call, guys. I'm sorry about that. I'm expecting a phone call. It shouldn't take more than 1 or 2 minutes, but I'm expecting a very important phone call that I will have to take sooner or later. So okay, ES took out highs which we were talking about yesterday, the 49.27 level. Bullish breaker as well on the 5-minute chart on ES. Looks bullish, but this can be a bull trap too. So let's just wait it out. We have every possibility to reach for that buy side. The market open will tell us what to do here. So let's just wait for now. Until then, grab your discounts with 80% from Apex. Huge discount there. And also I have codes for My Funded Futures. If you're a brand new client at My Funded Futures, then technically your first starter account comes with 50% discount, but only the starter account, 50% discount. And BULENOX has, well, it has an 87%, but someone told me in the chat that the discount codes didn't work. Only the 75% discount was working with BULENOX. So do try it out, Tom Sable 1 and 2. Maybe the sale has ended. They had an 87% discount. Maybe it's over by today. So check them out. All right. Let's see. All right. Everything is fine. Okay, let's check some stuff here. I'm also looking at the indicator. You guys want to see how the indicators are doing? Music is so loud, and this music is like. So what do we see? There was news. What kind of news was it? Core PCA price index. What the hell is that? Change in the price of goods, of course. Services. So what happened? It's the same, so a little bit mixed. Okay. Pending home sales. Okay, in 50 minutes. Pending home sales, guys. I think what's gonna happen because of pending home sales is we're gonna maybe NQ is gonna shake out everyone or do some wiggling, and it's gonna just go sideways until 10 a.m. So be prepared for that. Trader Oracle, howdy, and top 5, who is the killer here? Howdy, howdy, howdy. Welcome and applause to you guys. Had a limit order at 71,500, still holding. Let's go. No way, boys and gals. I think we hit 650 at open. Yes, as you can see, it's very juicy. I'm also looking at that. 650 is definitely a juicy one. So I'm gonna be looking at that. I am gonna be looking at that too. Not gonna lie, it's such a juicy target that I'm going to put a lucky. Where is that? A lucky magnet right here, right there, just to make sure price goes there. I do like those levels, but again, be careful. You know, the market can shake us all out after open. How far? We are actually very close to the lows here. 20 points to take out this low, and it's gonna be lower than yesterday's low on the regular trading hours. So we can dip lower here. So be careful. Be careful. Just me, aka Patrick. Patrick is just me. I know your real name, Patrick. Just me. Watch NQ 15-minute candle close in fair value gap. 15-minute candle close in fair value gap. Where is a fair value gap? You mean inversion gap? Maybe you mean that. Yes, I remember that, Patrick. So there is an inversion, if that's what you're referring, and that's a good there you go. So this is just me is right, actually. This is what we have to watch right now. What color should I go with? 15-minute inversion fair value gap or not. So if we're going through here, if we're closing below this gap, then it can be tricky, because we can also revisit the lows. So this could have been some accumulation, manipulation. We went back to this area right here to reprice that liquidity void. Liquidity void has been repriced. Now it's going back down. So yeah, if it closes below, now it closed below, it can be a bearish scenario, guys. ES took out this 15-minute CB / fair value gap up here, which means that we can also go down. Today we haven't really spent too much time below the midnight level. We are definitely in the premium. So new gap created. Yes, exactly. New gap created. So if this candle is gonna leave this gap somewhat untouched, I mean this one, this big, then we're also going to have an inversion gap. We're going to have a regular fair value gap. And we have some targets down there on the 15-minute. We have a fair value gap here, here. We have order blocks to be targeted down there. We have the 4-hour order block mid-threshold, which is the 450s. I think, yeah, 450 level. So, yeah, who knows? Guys, you know, drill. Push those likes. Push the like button. How can I see the account history? Trades that I took. Closed. Closed negative. No. Positions. Account info. How do I see the working orders, positions, market depth? No. Order entry, dump surface, watch list, chart? No. Order entry? No. I'm still getting used to Quant Hour. Account. All right. Ta-da-da-da. So I have an account with BULENOX that I YOLO'd. Yesterday I went, I was playing around a little bit. Yesterday I went to the daily limit. And today I YOLO'd it and managed to get it back to profit. Watch the 50% of that 15-minute. Yes. Mean threshold. Yes, yes. Actually, that's what I'm going to do. So the midpoint of this gap, but we still have to wait for the mid threshold of this inversion gap is actually Well, we can eyeball it too, but the mid threshold of this current gap, because we still have to wait until 12 minutes for this one to close, but the midpoint of this is 563. I'm hoping the bears come out to play today, because I'm a bear. I'm a bear at heart. Nice. New gap. Yeah, I see the new gap, but you know, it's still not the final gap. I mean, I know what you mean. If this last candle will be the gap, we still have to wait for the current candle to close until we can measure the final gap. If you see the final gap, if this would close like this, then yes, we would be having a final gap. Until then, I'm measuring the previous inversion gap that happened on the 7 a.m. candle on the 15-minute chart. That's the mid threshold. Yeah, it's... But we're still waiting. If this candle closes, then we should be dropping on the 15. Let's check the 5-minute. Now the 5-minute closed through as well. Nothing. I'm gonna check the 1-minute maybe. Now look at the 1-minute. The 1-minute actually gave a nice entry to go short, but the only reason I'm not going short is because it's market open. I know ICT would go short because he knows everything, and sell side liquidity is resting right down there at 519 is sell side liquidity. So it's about 20 points away. So we took out this area. Okay, so the bullish breaker has been invalidated. What is ES doing? ES, okay, so this made a new low, SMT divergence, but we're not jumping into ES because this is the weaker one until we're not seeing any sort of entry level. 517, yes, definitely. You're right, 517. I just like to take the first opportunity here at 519. That would be something I like, but you're right, 517 level. 517, just me is correct at this point. So 517. I have to wait another more than 8 minutes to see what is going to happen. It definitely looks like a sell scenario. Repriced everything. The liquidity void has been rebalanced. The fair value gap has been disrespected, turned into an inversion gap. We have sell side at 517. We have fair value gaps down there, and we have the 4-hour order block mid threshold at 450-ish area. So everything is set up for a nice short. Although I do like this level at 650. It seems like market is... We're definitely... And guys, if market opens up, we're just gonna wait, sit on our hands, and maybe we have to wait for new home sales, or what it's called? Pending home sales. Yeah. Pending home sales. Erkan is here. Hey, I'm done today with trading. I took the long to the gap. That's it. At this moment, I can only lose money. Today is Friday, not good day for trades. To be honest, Erkan, I think you're 99.999% right. Actually, 100% right. That is why if I even take a trade, I'm gonna do it with micro, 1 or 2 micros, and that's it. So have to be very cautious, very careful. Let's see how this goes. Okay, market is about to open in 6 minutes. A little more than 6 minutes. Took out this low. There's nothing else we can do here, guys. Have to wait and see what market wants. Honestly, if there were no news, absolutely, I mean no market open, sorry, not news. If there were absolutely no market open, I would have gone short here in this area right there. I would have definitely taken a short right there. If we take out this one, maybe I would move to break even, and then I would have targeted the 517. This was such a beautiful clean setup. So let me know what you guys think, because this is the thing that we're gonna be looking for right now. Less than 5 minutes to go, boys and gals. Ba-ba, ba-da-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da-da. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Well, I was just reading some news, but there is nothing extra. What are you guys doing? My analysis says that NQ must go down to the level step by step to 1765. 165, but the market do what it do. 165. Okay. 165. Well, yeah. I see what you're looking at right here. Yeah. Yeah. It could be. I'm not sure it's gonna happen today, but you know, this huge area right here, if you look at the daily, this area could be repriced real soon. Don't put in expectations in your mind, just watch price action. Exactly. Exactly. By the way, just me, how long have you been trading? Because for me, it looks like, I mean, honestly, with respect, I'm saying that, I mean, you struck me like an expert kind of guy. Like, I like how you call out these things. I really, seems like you're trading since quite some time. Maybe I asked this before. I'm sorry. I used to ask it from other guys as well in the stream. But yeah, I like what you say here. 6 months? You're a pro, man. You're a pro. You're a pro. I like how you think. I actually do like how you think. All right. Getting back. Less than 2 minutes. Guys, just, you know, we're just gonna chill. Nothing extra is going to happen. We're just gonna chill. Okay? No one is going to do anything crazy. Working HAR. R. Not sure what that means. Maybe I'm slow. Okay. I thought so. Working hard. Yeah. I know. Okay. All right. Got it. So, market is about to open, guys. $40 seconds. Getting back to the inversion gap. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. I'm drinking my coffee, but nothing happens. All right. Market is about to open. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4. Cover your ears. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Going for the 517, everybody. Full margin. Put it everything. I hope you guys are scared. Full margin, guys. Full margin. All the contracts that you can put in. All right. All right. That was the dramatic scene. Okay. Back to our regular programming. All right. NQ did try to go lower. Now it's going up. Checking my checking the 1 minute chart here. I mean the 5 minute as well. Minor order block was hit on the 5 minute. Actually, it's on the 1 minute too, right here. It's reacting to it, still inside the inversion gap. If it trades above or it closes above this wick, then it's a bullish sign. It definitely will be a bullish sign. Repricing a 15-minute gap. If you go to the 15-minute, it already poked into liquidity. We have all the possibility for this one to do anything it wants. ES is fighting. I'm just checking ES. ES wants to go higher. Nothing extra. Let's check the dollar index real quick. Dollar index is actually doing nothing. It's right at the middle. So let's forget the dollar index. Okay, NQ 1 minute chart right now. This is NQ 1 minute. I think the 517 area is definitely in danger. Be careful. 517. I'm not jumping in. Just saying that it can be a possible draw on liquidity right there. Or at least the 19. But look at these wicks. No entry model, guys. There is no entry here. Nothing. We just have to wait for what's happening. I know there's some traders out there who are putting all the eggs in one basket and just YOLO it, but right now there's nothing to do. Exact 50% of that 15-minute gap. I'm short from 553. 553. All right. I'm just waiting, but I think so far you have some good chances here. Okay, it's still good. It's still inside this inversion gap. The shorts are looking good. I mean, we have a chance, but I have no entry, guys. For this scenario, I have no entry model, so I'm just not doing anything for now. I wish I had something, but the Russell points a little bit north. But the shorts are definitely having... The bulls are having trouble to push it higher right now. Everybody's fighting in this area. In this inversion gap. Everybody is fighting. They might try to push it. We have a little bit of a buy side here at 74. They might take it. Took your profit. Nice, 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 nice. Since November, I thought every day that the market needs to correct, but I always it always makes the new all-time high. An all-time high. Yeah. That is also the reason why the market continues to rise. Yes, I don't know where is going to be the end of it. You know, if we look at the daily and the weekly charts, sooner or later we should be having some kind of a much bigger pullback. But ES, I think ES wants to go higher. But look at this. It's here. I think ES might want to try a new high above the 33. And as long as ES is gonna keep fighting, NQ is gonna keep fighting as well. NQ is gonna have a hard time to drop until ES is gonna fight the highs. Fight for the highs. They must eliminate first all the shorters, then goes down. Yeah, they have to squeeze everyone out. So look at that. 553 level. They might going to put it down to 517. Look at that. Trying to watch it on other time frames. It does look a little bit bearish, but at this point to enter, it would be a little bit of a gamble for me. So I'm just gonna wait. But it looks juicy to enter. 46, yeah, it's 20 points to 517. It can easily take it out. Damn it. So close. But I have no structure shift. I have no nothing so far. Actually, what I have a long position on Russell that I might take on a demo account. I don't know. All right. I took it on this indicator system. Might go down. NQ wants to go down as well. Look at that. It's going for the 17. I'm not in a trade, don't worry. He's gonna go for it. We closed below. Did we close below? What? No, we didn't. The low of this candle was 35. The close here was 35.25. Didn't close below. It can still go down to 17, 517. Seems like it will. Tempting, but I'm not jumping in. I'm not jumping in, guys. But it's definitely looked like it wants to take out those lows down there. Let me know what you think. Daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Yeah, exactly. Now it's going to reprice this small fair value gap on the 1 minute. Okay, it's doing it now. Right here. It might go up for the higher one, but I like to see this as the so-called breakaway gap. I don't know. 47, it goes higher. Okay, now it's in the other one. I have a long position. I mean, no, I don't have. The demo account, which I'm doing with the indicators. The demo account, I put on a long position on the Russell index, US 2000. It indicated a long position. You can see it right here. And so far, so good. Lined up with the custom RSI and the custom exponential moving averages. Nothing, guys. Absolutely nothing here for me. Just waiting. Please, guys, push a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my links if you want to grab your discount. 80% at Apex. 80% discount, boys and girls, girls and boys. Grab it until you can have it, because 29 is the last day. And most likely after that they're going to do the 71% sale, but still 80% is the good one. I don't know if they're going to do a 90% like they did last year, so 80% is a good one. But I have other links as well. Go check them out. I have BULENOX codes, my funded futures code, TOPSTEP. If you're a new customer, you can have a 20% discount, but only once for every new customer. All right, it's going down again. Repriced this fair value gap. Okay, all right, all right. It's still going. I don't know what's happening. It feels like they want to push it down, but as long as ES wants to make some new highs, ES is bullish, I think. ES is definitely looking bullish. And that's why I think NQ is going to climb slowly higher. Maybe. But if you see the past couple of minutes, past 11 minutes since the open, all this is just a barcode chart. Look at that. Is it really tradable? Not really. Only if you go down to the 5-second like ICD does, but otherwise I don't see anything here. Made another successful trade with the indicator. Today I have 2 out of 2, which is great. The Russell index took profit just as the indicator indicated it, which is great. It's nice to take trades on the live stream. I mean, simulated live conditions. It's more fair value gap down there. All right. Consolidation after big move. Yeah, look at that now. I have no idea. No idea where they want to take it. My coach makes his analysis at the evening after trading, or in the morning. He set his alerts and go away. He comes only then his handy rings. Wow, this keeps him from making... You know, that's actually good. Apple is chopping. I'm not watching the stock prices right now. Apple. Can we check Apple? All stocks. Let's check Apple. Okay, so this is Apple. Interesting. Apple, Apple. Alright, look at NQ. Inside the range. ES also, look at that. Typical. This is so typical before news, guys. This is so typical before the news. There. Almost the same happening. Typical. That's what's happening around these times. Uncertainty, indecision. Nobody knows what the heck is going on. So if you are taking a trade in this barcode, that's pure gambling. Now you know INQ is chopping. Yeah. Yeah. Apple is definitely... Well, I guess we should be watching all of those big companies. Push those likes, guys. I'm so glad that today we have more members in the Discord. I'm glad for you guys, and I humbly welcome you. So if anyone else wants to join, go check out the link. And I always get nervous when I do a new promotional video for the Discord. I just can't speak. The words doesn't come to my mind, and I stall and I just can't speak normally. But still, you can check it out and join. My goal, by the way, is to have at least 100 members in the Discord, but more. But it would be great, and we're gonna be posting some setups, some charts, some unique content, more educational material. I have so many ideas, but I'm just one person and I do have to keep everything rolling. But I will do my best. Look at that. NQ wants to go down maybe before the news. ES broke out from this triangle. Not a clear market structure shift there, but ES shifted market structure a little bit. So turns a little bearish now. The 517 level still looks juicy. We talked about it. So it looks nice. Definitely some sell side liquidity down there. Or up there. Where? Here. From yesterday. 650. Now that does require a 100 point move. But yeah. If you sit in front of the computer for 8-10 hours, you feel forced to trade. Yes, and make mistakes. I'm done for today. Make my money and I'm completely... Well, that's the best feeling a trader can have. You know, if you have the profits, you can just sit back, you know, maybe play with the demo account and you made your money. That's the best position to be in, honestly. So I'm gonna tell you guys a story while we're waiting. Yesterday, I wanted to YOLO a BULENOX account, a 50k account, and I wanted to YOLO it, and I went down to my daily limit. Guess what? I went down to my daily limit. That was crazy. And I said, all right, well, it happens. And today I YOLO'd it again. And today I made it back and I'm in profit again. So that's the story. Today I made $1,400 something dollars. So I'm back to profit again. It's not good to YOLO those accounts, guys. Don't do that. I did it a few times. Got me funded. But, you know, I think I'm just gonna, you know, turn it down a little bit and go slow. Anyway, my ideal... I'm gonna put out a plan on YouTube as well. I'm gonna be trading new evaluation account with only, without YOLO, with only micros, maybe around 2 or 3 micros, maybe 4. There's gonna be account connected, copy traded with Apex, BULENOX, and my funded futures too, and TOPSTEP as well, of course. And they are gonna be separated to groups. So I'm gonna be making at least 3 groups. So that's gonna be at least 12 accounts or even more. And 4 of those accounts are gonna be copied with Quant Tower, one by one, and that's how I try to pull them all the way up to be funded. But that's gonna take time, so most likely the whole February is going to be about pulling these accounts to the goal. And I'm guessing it might gonna take more than 30 days because I'm gonna take it very slowly. But when I get there, I should be having at least 1 group of accounts that are funded. And when I have 4 accounts that are funded, I'm gonna split them to 2 groups, so 2 accounts at once, and then I'm gonna separate risk. Anyway, I'm gonna talk about it next time in a video. That's kind of a plan I want to do, and building up slowly the foundation. Still inside this barcode. Absolute terrible territory. Let me know what you guys think. Drop those likes and let's move on. So I'm gonna be expecting a phone call soon. It's gonna take about 2 minutes. Excuse me about that. I'm gonna mute the microphone and I'll be here. It's gonna take about 2 minutes, but I'm expecting an important call. Sorry. All right, guys. Let's see. Just waiting for news, yeah. Have to wait for news. Nothing is going to happen until then. Actually, my indicators are telling me to go short. Okay, it's going short. On Nasdaq. Didn't take it. But the indicator is telling to go short. Actually, it's a good entry. Sell side is in danger. And it's not far. It's real close. Let's see. NQ is gonna go down. Look at that. Wow. It's gonna go down to 517. How about that? Just before news. Wants to take it out, and I think he's gonna take it out. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Just before news. Sell side is gonna get purged. Anybody want to jump in? Let me know. Let me know, guys, if you guys want to jump in. Oh, it's going down again. Now it's gonna take it out. I think it took it out already, no? 17. Almost there. Almost there. There. Almost. Almost 17. Come on, take it out. Take it out. Oh my god, missed it one tick. Should be taking it. No. Look at that. Went back up there. What the hell is going on? It didn't go to the 17. Oh, the micro went there. So the micros went there. And by the way, I don't want to say anything, but here's what the indicator told me on Nasdaq. Look at this. Indicator told me to go short here in this area. Boom. There you go. Short in this area with a 1-to-1 risk reward. Boom. It was great. Just saying. Easy money. Yeah, this was really easy. Although the micros took out the 17 level, the regular mini Nasdaq has not taken it, which is not a big deal. But look at top 5. His top 5 is actually killing the market today. He made real easy money. I don't know what's happening with NQ right now. I don't even know where was the perfect entry for this trade. Who knows? Anyway, it's still not taking the 17 level. Still not taking it. Still holding it. NQ didn't take it yet, just micros. Now it should be taking it. Come on. Come on. Still nothing. Haha. Not taking it. Dirty move. Should I scalp it with 1 micro? Better not. I'm not going to risk it. Not risking it. Risk reward is not good, and we're just ahead of news, so the risk is too high on this. But what a move. What a move. Look at that. Now it should be taking it out. Come on, 517. Come on. It's like it won't retest daily low. Yeah. I don't know what the heck it wants to do, but the micro Nasdaq took it out, as you can see. The micros took it. It went down all the way to 515. But regular Nasdaq is not doing anything. Regular mini. The mini is not taking it. Left it untouched. What is ES doing? Oh wow. Almost like a divergence with the ES. Almost like a divergence here. Come on. Something should happen. What? News is still less than 2 minutes. That's gonna take forever. And still, oh, look at that. It's a good thing I didn't jump into a short there to scalp it. What's happening on the 5 minute? Nothing. Full barcode chart. Next buy side is above 575. Bearish order block here it wants to hold it. I don't think it's gonna. Look at this. ES shifting structure on the 1 minute, maybe. Maybe we're gonna go for that buy side at 650. Who knows? Don't forget to subscribe and push the like button. Thank you guys. I mean, really, the best thing that can happen is if you guys just like the stream. Thank you. All right. When is the news? Still 30 seconds. It's not major news, so it should not impact the market that much, I think. Price is at 23.6 fib. Well, let's see. News right now. Okay, news came out. Okay. Oops. What's happening? ES market structure shift. Looking to go long on ES. I mean, not me. But ES was looking a nice long position based on an SMT divergence. Taking out those highs at 25. Do you guys want to go in? Let me know. MES. Okay, I bought ES with the micro. I'm already starting to regret it. I'm targeting 924. 924. Yeah, my stop is right below here, this swing. 14.50. Unfortunately, it doesn't look good. I thought that we're gonna go higher because of the SMT divergence. Doesn't look that good. So I'm long from 18.25. It's the smallest position. I just wanted to see how the SMT divergence goes. But unfortunately, it seems like it goes to hell. Okay. Never mind. Let's see NQ. On to the next one, right? I was so hopeful for ES that it wants to fight for those highs again. Anyway. Look at that. NQ might want to go down and finally take out the 517. All right. Last chance for ES to go higher. I think it's gonna take me out. Yeah, damn it. NQ is going down. It might go for that 17. I don't know. I don't know. ES is going down. Pa-pa-da-pa-pa. It's funny how we have always up. That's why I blow my account. No, it's having opposite trades is actually it's awesome because I think both sides can win. It depends on what is your risk and what is your target. So, but if we look at this as an SMT divergence, then check this out. What the hell? Oh, this one is NQ. Okay, so the right side is ES. The left side is NQ. Not the perfect example, but 54. There you go. So made a new low. It didn't make a new low. It made a structural shift to the upside. Right here. And then I thought, okay, why shouldn't we just go back above there? But I think it's not gonna happen. So SMT divergence again. Let me show like this. Like, what was this? 938. What? Oh no, 920. What the hell was this? Is this not an SMT divergence? Maybe not. I might close down a trade. I might have mistaken. Hello, Dr. Azim. Hello, sir. You're a big fan? Wow. It's I'm glad I have. Nice to see you here on the stream. Thank you so much for joining. Unfortunately, I just took a small scalp. I might just going to close this trade. How are you doing, Azim? Dr. Azim. Hope you're doing well. Guys, push the likes, and by the way, as a new member here, chat member, definitely, we're gonna have an applause for Dr. Azim. All right, almost out from this position. Well. Yeah, it's gonna take me out. I'm out. Took me out. Okay, so Nasdaq is now looking to take that. Yeah, now it's taken the 17. And now that it's taken the 17, I wonder where it can go next. Back to the order block, maybe? To the 4-hour order block? Or at least below the 500, right? ES is also dropping, made a structural shift to the downside. There is some liquidity void down there. Let's see. Let me know what you guys think. We could be going down for making a new low there. And if that's the case, I might going to take a short on Nasdaq. Okay, took a short on Nasdaq, 1 micro. I'm going to add to it if it goes higher. If not, I'm just gonna ride this one. Just for fun. Because as much as I can tell, it seems like that it might want to run for those lows. Or not. Who knows? It's repricing a fair value gap on the 1 minute. What's up with ES? ES is shooting higher. Look at that. What the hell? Was it a bear trap here? It looks like it. It looks like it was a bear trap. I don't know. If I look at the 5-minute chart, hold on. Yeah, the Russell index showed some shorts as well. Not too perfect, but let's see. Are we gonna go down to take out these levels, London lows? Or is this going to be a relief rally? Have to manage the risk properly according to that. So far nothing on the 5 minute. We do have some targets at what's the low here? The low on the 15 minute is 96.75. Okay, let's wait this one out. They can also, yeah, they're going higher. They're going higher. It's all because, yeah, ES could be fighting as well. I was so sure that we're still gonna go lower, at least to take out that level down there. Nice sell side liquidity. So is it gonna take it out or not? That's the big question. Going long now. Patrick is going long. I think you're doing it right now. Seems like it wants to push it. And I just don't know what to do here. I'm pretty much stuck. Maybe the bulls are taking over. Are we going to see the Friday rally? Who knows? What we need the ES to climb higher, which seems like it can do. We have relatively, not relatively equal lows, so not that beautiful. But we have this sell side here, which I like very much, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. No order blocks, no fair value gaps around these levels. Nothing on the 1 minute that is significant, other than having a little fair value gap down there. Where is it? Yeah, down below 97. And we also have the bullish order block down there as potential target. I don't know. Okay. Seems like they want to push it higher. So the longs are doing good. So where can it go? It can go all the way to 571, right? It should be right there. It should be going there. Tempted to jump in, you know. We're coming out this 1 hour's busy. You know what? You're right. You are absolutely right. Seems like it wants to come out from this area. Let me check again. Yes, it can definitely. All right. So if we go up, then we should be going for the 71s. Actually, we can go for... I just reversed my position. I rarely do this. So I'm long now. Small loss, just took a small loss, but now I'm not going to push it more if this one goes against me. I'm looking for the 71s, which should be right up there. 71, yeah. 71 should be right up there. Let's see. If not, then I'm not going to push it too much. Depending on what ES wants to do as well, by the way. Nope. They're having trouble here. No, they want to dump it, maybe. Hard to tell. We do have that sell side at 97, so... yeah. That's gonna give us a hard time. I mean, back to the order block. You can easily do that. Where is the low of this? The low of this is 504. Is it gonna hold or not? Uh-oh. Because, yeah. Pa-pa-da-pa-pa. Justin Wright, good morning. Dollar taking the highs. Dollar going up should be should make this market go down, yeah. We'll see. We'll see what happens. If I look at the well, yeah, we have some sell side down there. We have a 4-hour order block also down there, but we still have the 97s. Be careful here. We don't know what it wants. Still waiting. Stuck here in this range. ES is stuck too. NQ is not moving. We still have some sell side down below there at 997. So it's really hard to tell at this point. It can go up there. It can go up to the 71s actually. So actually, let's hope something is gonna happen here. Yeah, I don't like it too. It's a lot of indecision right now. I just don't know what the heck is going on. If SPY break below 487, I think that, yeah. I keep seeing divergence on ES to go long. Haven't taken trade yet. You're out. Nice. Okay, it might be taking off from here. Who knows? Look at that. It might just want to take off from here. It's actually close to the 71. It's not far. If it makes this structure shift, if this candle closes above right here, then we have a good chance for it to go higher, right? It should be. It should be taking out the 71. Look at that go. I don't know what's happening here. Guys, I have no idea what's happening. Look at that. It's gonna go for the 71. That's buy side right there. If we go to the 5-minute, there's a swing high at 571. So Patrick got out and finally the price went up. All right. Should be taking out that. Might add one more to it here. But I don't know how far it wants to go. If it wants to go even higher. Not sure. If we just look at the 1-minute, it feels like it wants to go for those highs, but again, I'm not sure what ES wants to do. We do have some highs up there, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I don't trust myself and the chart. Yeah. ES rejected. 920. So is this wants to go higher to the 570s maybe? What do you guys think? I mean, by the looks of it, it can take out that high at 570.50 or something. But it almost feels like it's getting tired, and it might be reversing to the downside. Oops, sorry. All right, sorry guys, phone call, and I'm still expecting one more phone call. So look at these things. It actually went for the, and ES is gonna go for that buy side. So two more handles, and no, one more handle is gonna take it actually. This is really something, guys. I mean, wow. All I can say is wow, wow, wow. I didn't thought that it's gonna be like this, but seems like we're going higher. Now, if we follow NQ on the 5-minute, then what would be the logical step? The logical step would be from NQ to deliver price to 610, right? So I'd like to jump into those buys right around 75 maybe. I know it's risky, but it would be great to jump into the bandwagon and take some buys here, which I did. To the 600s. Limit right there. All right, I want this to go all the way to the 600s, but I would be getting out at the 59s. Oh, yeah. This is algorithmic price delivery, guys. This is definitely algorithmic price delivery. Whatever anybody says, this is algorithmic. It's going to deliver to my TP, almost at my TP, almost at my TP. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. 98.50. Come on. 98.50. 98.50. 98.50. 98 point, there you go. 98.50. 2 micros. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. $70. Nice. I know it's not enough for a Lamborghini, but it's still good. This was algorithmic price delivery. All right. Should have held it. Because I exited here and then I re-entered. This is algorithmic, guys. This is gonna take it all the way up to 610. But there's gonna be profit taking around these areas, so it's gonna be a low, high resistance liquidity run. If I see this, this is definitely algorithmic, and you just have to spot a certain level up there. Honestly, I'm at break even in the New York session. To be honest with you guys, I'm at break even. So it is what it is. It still should go up. But look at that. Wow. ES almost made a new high. NQ wants to make a new high. Quite interesting. It's a weird pump. It's definitely a weird pump. Do we have any kind of special news? Is anybody talking or something? Not really, right? Fear. Extreme greed. Extreme greed. Everybody's greedy. Extreme greed index. Okay. Took out the 600. I'm gonna eat a cookie. A chocolate cookie here. Nice. This is nice. Well, as I told you, profit taking slows the price down. Should be going above 606. Buy side is still at the 650s. I do like it. We should be taking out the 610. Do I want to jump in? Of course. Will I? I don't know. No, I don't. It's not good for risk reward. But it's looking so tempting. 93. Yeah, he's gonna take it. 610, 611 actually, it's coming up. 611.50. And then the market will decide if it wants the 650s or not. Beautiful buy side over there, but the market will tell us if it wants that or not. $611.50. Candle is closing in 30 seconds. If it has a retracement, you can still go in with a scalp. I went in with a scalp. Just a scalp here. Let's see if I want to add more. Are we going to see the 610, or we're just gonna sell down from here? We can easily sell down below the 85s. So let's see. Feels heavy now. Yeah, ES took out a new high. I wonder if they want to take it higher. At this point, NQ is the weaker one, so not sure if they want to put it higher. Depends on ES. If ES wants higher highs, well, it's not that far actually. It can do that. It's 5 handles. So if ES wants to take the high at 32, NQ can follow easily. Done for the day. Okay. See you next week, Patrick. Thank you so much for being here. And huge applause for Patrick. Have a great weekend. $95. Yeah, let's see. If ES wants to take out yesterday's high, was it yesterday? No, it was all-time high, which was actually right there. Buy side liquidity. This has been taken. So I'm gonna delete this. So it's at 33. If ES wants to take it, then NQ should be making a new high as well. But who knows? Let's see what ES does. I'm curious. It's only 5 handles. 5 handle is for ES is technically it's nothing. But it looks like ES might want to reach for those highs. Just waiting, guys. Just waiting. It's the waiting game. Oh my god. What a day. What a day. All right. NQ wants to make the final push, as ES wants to make the final push too. Fortunately ended up in the green. All right. Well, it seems like the Russell index may also want to climb higher. But as for NQ, we might be having a slower volume. It's almost 11 a.m. in New York. So let's just wait for it. What can we do? What's going on with Methodical Man? He's trading, right? Nice, he made some trades. Cool, cool, cool. Nice. All right. Could be taking the highs here. This New York session is starting to be a little slow. Not the ideal price action. But still, what can you do? You just have to wait. All right. We're still waiting for this to break a little higher. But we're technically just going sideways. But ES should be taking the all-time high here, which is, I mean, not all-time high, but the previous high, which is 49.33. Until then, NQ is not going to do anything special. All right, well, guys, I don't think I'm gonna watch this paint dry for more. I ended up overall in the green today. Not the best profits, but still in the green. I think I'm gonna end this here, and I'm gonna be focusing on editing some content for the YouTube channel and for the Discord. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate. Please use the codes if you want to help out the stream. Grab your discount with Apex most likely, and check out my other codes as well. Consider to join my VIP Discord, and thank you so much for watching. I have mixed feelings about the New York session, but it was cool. The day was awesome, guys. Thank you so much. Drop the likes, do subscribe. I enjoyed it very much, really. See you guys next week, or join my Discord, because I might gonna do some extra content in the Discord. And what else? Grab your discounts. Guys, have a great evening, have a great weekend. See you guys soon, all right? Cheers, everyone.